Okay, hi everyone. This is the Visual Composer team, and this is our first video QA session. So don't judge us. And well, we have few questions you were asking us on Facebook, Slack, and via newsletter. And today we are going to answer on few of them. Hopefully, this is not the last video session, and maybe Michael could start, right?
Let's kick it. So there's a question from coming from Facebook from Paul, and he's asking about our affiliate program. So is there going to be one, and if so, when we are going to launch it? So first of all, Paul, thank you for your question. Um, we we are working on the affiliate program at this current moment, and we expect it to be launched and really soon, maybe in just 2-3 weeks. We'll start it. Hopefully, yeah. So we'll start it and as a closed program, and then gradually we'll expand with the more partners. So Paul, make sure to follow us on Facebook and be one of the first who will join us. And right, next is on yours.
Okay, so really popular question, I would say. How Visual Composer will work with Gutenberg editor? Probably the second question we receive when visiting conferences after how are you or where are you from? Uh, there are two things. The first one is that you should definitely not worry about any incompatibility or something. Visual Composer will work with Gutenberg. Our development team is working on it. They're testing and ensuring that everything will run smoothly once the Gutenberg will be integrated into the WordPress core. And the second thing, which is even more interesting, is that we are working on a solution where you, as a user, will be able to use Gutenberg within Visual Composer. So all the Gutenberg modules will be available within Visual Composer. This will extend the list of elements for you guys. So follow the updates, and once the Gutenberg is ready, we will be ready as well. Maybe in the next question, well.
So Rodrigo asks, when will you release Grid Builder for the Visual Composer website builder? First of all, for those who don't know, the Grid Builder is an add-on for WP Bakery Page Builder, and it allows to customize post grid. And as for the website builder, one of its best assets is the Visual Composer Hub, and it already has a lot of elements to customize post grids, but we do plan on making a lot more, so you don't even need the grid builder at all. You can just download it all there.
Next question is, a few people voted for Mark's question, how do you add a PDF file in Visual Composer? Currently, you can do it by uploading it in Media Library, and afterwards using either TinyMC editor or copying the direct link inside the button link selector. But as also Irma mentioned, in the future we will add PDF element.
Okay, the next question is from Karen. She asks if we can add audio player to the Visual Composer Hub. The answer is yes, we can. So first of all, thank you for a question, and I like to receive such questions just to know what elements are you missing to make your site to the perfection. So if you have more questions, you can visit our community Facebook group, public Slack, and just join the discussions, drop a line, or reply to newsletters. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. But regarding to audio element, it's on the list, on priority list for our development team, right, Alvis? And so it's soon to be implemented. Just follow the Visual Composer news, and I'm sure you will have your needed element very soon. Okay.
Okay, so next one is for me. So why did we decide to create a new product? So for those who probably everyone knows that there are two products on the market. There is a WP Bakery Page Builder and another product of ours, our new Visual Composer Website Builder. So why we decided to go with the new product when we had the WP Bakery Page Builder, which is one of the most powerful builders available at the market. So original version of WP Bakery Page Builder was released almost 6 years ago, if I'm right. So back then technology was different, and now our vision and our ideas cannot be supported, but cannot be supported with the technical stack that is behind the page builder. So we decided to use a new modern technology like React.js and Webpack to truly to take our vision and implement it into the new product and take it to the whole new level. And another thing is that we decided to go out of the marketplace where we've been selling page builder product, and to create our own ecosystem for the plugins, add-ons, templates, and as a result, you as a user will have a more friendlier and user-friendlier way to work with your website without the need to go back and forth to the marketplace.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Okay, next question. I got really popular questions. I want to develop custom elements for the Visual Composer website builder. Where should I start? To develop custom elements, you need an API. All elements currently developed by our team that are available in Visual Composer Hub, they are developed already using API. But right now it's an internal API. We haven't published it yet because we need to test it. We need to ensure that everything works smoothly for you guys, and we need to prepare documentation and so on. That's a huge thing that will allow to create add-ons. A lot of people are interested in Visual Composer Website Builder add-ons and waiting for it. Also, for theme authors, they also want to develop their custom elements and integrate Visual Composer Website Builder within theme. We don't have strict deadline yet, but what we plan is to deliver external API together with all the documentation, probably some samples, right?
Of course.
Some demo elements you can work with in the midsummer. Yes. So follow our updates and be ready to develop your add-ons, integrate Visual Composer into themes, and as a user, just get those themes and elements. Okay, maybe we can move to the next one. Alvis, maybe you want some question?
Next question is, are we going to release new updates and features for WP Bakery Page Builder? I'm not part of the WP Bakery Page Builder team, but I can assure that new features will be released and the product will be maintained in the future.
Okay, so the following question is a technical-wise question, so I'll try to answer as well as I can. So the question is, if Visual Composer has workarounds for WordPress shortcode system that allows to nest shortcodes. Okay, the simple answer is that Visual Composer actually has own element model. So it means that you can create rows and insert in rows over and over again. So it also, this principle applies for the things like accordions or tabs, so you don't really need shortcodes as far as to make layouts for your pages. Right?
Yep.
Yes. Great.
The final question comes from April, and it goes like this. What's so special about the premium version, and should I upgrade from the free one? In short, yes. The free version it's really powerful and you can do a lot with it, but if you upgrade to premium, you can do a lot more. Again, in short, first of all, you get awesome support from us that you wouldn't get otherwise, and you get all the elements, all the templates that we create. If you get the premium version, you get them all out of the hub, and that's really cool. And header, footer, and sidebar.
And WooCommerce compatibility for e-commerce projects.
Yeah, straight out of my mouth.
Michael, some final words?
Yeah, so I guess this is about it. Let's conclude our first Q&A session. I hope, guys, you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below or whatever they are. And I enjoyed it. I think we'll be making more in the future. So stay tuned. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
And enjoy.
And enjoy.